What is going on, everyone? So today we're diving into the latest release from Callaway, and we're talking about this bad boy right here, the AI Smoke Hybrid. Now, question is this just smoke and mirrors, or does it actually bring true fire to your game? Let's find out, but before we do that, you gotta hit that like and subscribe button. Come on, let's go! So right off the bat, I gotta say, I've never been a fan of hybrids. It's honestly kind of been always like one of those like love-hate relationships.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
But I decided to pick up this AI Smoke Hybrid and kind of give it a chance. Yeah, it was about $280, a little hefty on price, but after trying out the AI driver, and honestly, I kind of like the technology behind it. So I thought, why not? Give it a try, right? And I gotta say, oh man.
Wow.
The AI power and energy just... You feel the energy through your hands and veins, and honestly, it makes you feel dangerous, I'd say. And I gotta say, this hybrid really changed my mind, really made me think differently about hybrids just in general. Let's talk about the design, all right? So I'm a sucker for looks, all right? It's gotta look good. It's gotta look good in the bag. It's gotta look good in your hands. And honestly, I think Callaway really has stepped up with a sleek, modern look to this hybrid. It's got this cool looking blue and chrome look, and if you look from the top, the matte finish, it really helps reduce the glare and really making things easier to focus on your shot. The other thing too, it does come with a head cover, and I gotta be honest with you, the head cover it's junk.
Come on now, dog.
I have it. This thing, I don't know how many times it has fallen out of my bag, and I hate this. This thing, I'm gonna toss this, and yeah, I'm gonna replace it with maybe something more custom. It's a small thing, but it's another thing. I just don't want to worry about having to lose head covers, and so quite disappointed in that area. But other than that, yeah, I might just get another custom head cover for this hybrid. Alright, let's talk about the performance, alright? So honestly, right now, AI is a hot topic. And this whole talk about AI being tied with golf club technology is kind of wild. And especially for this AI smoke, I know Callaway has tracked and recorded, I'd say the impact of over 200,000 swings from all different types of golfers across the globe. And one thing I just gotta put out there is, hey, Callaway, if you're watching this and you need another tester, hey, let me know. I'm all up for it. All right, so back to the test, all right? So basically, I took this to the course, to the driving range, and also on a simulator. And here's what I noticed. This club, it felt hot and solid off the face, meaning that you can really know about it when you hit it. And also, honestly, and let me just be honest with you, this club makes you just want to keep hitting more and more and more after another. But I really love the improved sole design, which allows for that smooth turf interaction, especially from the rough. I can't emphasize that enough. And not only that, but also we got to talk about the forgiveness on this club. The forgiveness, don't we all need as much forgiveness? I mean, it's forgiving on the mishits, so that even if your swing isn't perfect, the AI smoke has your back. And I guess the best way I can describe it is, it kind of reminds me of a high-tech car. It has the assistant steering, and I feel that's what the AI technology feels like. It just your ball flight just stays on target. And I honestly, sometimes there were times where I felt the ball would it should peel off to the right, but at times it would just stay on target.
Stay on target.
And it would just have this simple fade. It would just keep it stable and wouldn't peel to the right. And I gotta admit, it's gotta be the AI smoke technology behind that. So, is the Callaway AI Smoke Hybrid worth adding to your collection? If you're looking for maybe a hybrid that kind of combines distance control and forgiveness, this could be the game changer for you. I don't know, for me, it's got me really like appreciating hybrids more. It's giving me a second thought and chance for hybrids. I'm gonna put it in the bag for now, and we'll see how it goes. But other than that, thanks for watching Firebirdie Golf, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and also comment below with your thoughts on the AI Smoke Hybrid, and if you have it, if you tried it, if you liked it or not. I'd love to hear from you. But until next time, keep those birdies flying, and I'll talk to you guys later.